All right, so huge travel day yesterday. About 24 hours door to door from my place to the hotel, but we made it to Honolulu. Just down at the beach here now, and this place is massive. The hotel we're staying at is the Hilton Waikiki Village. There's 6 of us, my wife and I, my brother-in-law and sister-in-law, my daughter Fiona and her boyfriend, and this is going to be awesome. Check it out just over here. We've got Diamond Head volcano at the end of the beach. If everything goes as planned, we'll be at the top of that later on in the trip. Wife is getting a little snacky. Just walking down the beach with Lee here, heading to the food truck. We hear they have a good poke bowl. This is the spot. Got our poke bowl, heading back to our spot on the beach. Pineapple ice cream.
Pineapple ice cream.
Looks pretty good.
Not bad.
Mm-hmm. That is delish. That's got a nice little kick. Perfect. Oh, it's testing the water temps for the first time on the trip, and it's a bit chilly, but still nice to get into the ocean. That's for sure. First day here is in the books. Had a great chill day down by the beach. Ended up finding some good food at nighttime, and today just heading over to pick up the rental car. Road trip day. All right, we've got our ride. First time driving a minivan in a while. All right, we made it to our destination, Kaneohe Bay, I believe is how it's pronounced. This is the ride for the next couple of days, and going out there to do some kayaking. This is the spot. I'm not sure if you can make it out, but we've got some sandbars out there we're gonna try to make it to. Later, suckers! We are back, and what a place to go for a paddle. The views from there were incredible. One thing that's really cool about that bay is it's actually the biggest breeding ground in the world for a certain species of hammerhead sharks. Didn't see any today, it's more in the summer months, but kind of neat. We mostly hit the East Coast. We spent some time at another really beautiful beach, Kailua Beach. Enjoyed our time there very much so, and tomorrow we still have the car for one more day. We're heading north and got something pretty crazy planned. It's gonna be quite the experience. All right, we're headed back for road trip number 2, and we got something wild happening today. Just got to the North Shore, and today we're doing a shark cage tour. You guys ready for it?
No.
That picture doesn't do them justice. They're big animals. They get up to about 10 to 12 feet, 400 to 600 pounds, and they're cousins of the great white and part of the requiem shark family. Coast Guard requires me to let you know I have 22 adult life jackets, including 6 children's life jackets on that side of the vessel.
All right, here we go. just about to the cage here. He's stirring up the sharks up to the surface, I think. The sharks like the sound of the boat. Sounds like the crab fishermen boats around here, so it stirs them up. Got our cage just ahead. Oh, some big swells. We're here. Oh man, I don't know. We arrived at the cage.
Y'all see the shark?
She's massive. So if you guys look closely on the backs, if you look closely, there are black lines and scars.
Yeah.
Those are mating scars. So that's how you know they're girls, right? So the boys don't have arms to hold on to them. So obviously they use their teeth. And the girls will have some bite scars all over their backs. Yeah. So she's tagged, and you can see those markings better when she comes up close. Another step down.
You got this, Fiona.
It gets easier and easier with every step you down. Yeah, and then now we're gonna inside bar.
Except it's freezing cold.
Oh, it's not bad. It's like 75 degrees.
Is it?
Take the ladder down.
Going next, Bob?
You want me to? It's up to you. I don't care.
Not doing
Okay. You want to get eye level with that bar, get a hold of it, and then let yourself go down into the water. Okay. Next person.
All right, here, I'll jump down.
eye out.
What do you think, Lee? That was amazing.
Is that cool?
Well, that was about as cool as it gets right there.
Holy.
That was just awesome, talking to one of the guys on the boat, and he says beach just next door here. A lot of times there's sea turtles up on the beach, and gonna go see if we can spot some. I haven't spotted any turtles yet, but we have a very nice beach here. We do have a little turtle here. Looks like they're getting some food. Oh, we got a bigger one over here. How awesome. One more look at this beach before we go. What a place. This one's almost empty too. Fast forward a day, and gotta say the North Shore seems like the place to be here. Although I will say it almost seems like everywhere is the place to be. It's a really nice island. Playing around with the new camera that has an active track function, and I have a wireless mic now. This is my latest toy, the DJI Pocket 3, so kind of testing it out on this trip. And seems to work pretty good. The shark cage thing was just through the roof cool. Had an awesome time. I didn't get a lot of footage, but we drove around the North Shore a little bit and went to the Bonsai Pipeline and watched some of the surfers. Had a good time doing that, and back now in Honolulu. Just kind of a chill day today, but so far, what a trip. Snorkel time. beautiful day yesterday hanging by the beach and the pool. Today we're going on another little adventure though, heading to Diamond Head. Looks like it's about an hour hike each way, and yeah, first time climbing a volcano for all of us, so should be kind of fun. Diamond Head we're heading to, 6 of us. You want me to jump up front? Yeah. All right. Here we go. It's a pump up song for the hike. Didn't realize it, but we actually start off in the crater of Diamond Head. Pretty cool. Got our map here, and looks like we're headed the right way. Whew. It's a hot one today too. Gradually getting steeper and steeper, but we're machines. Starting to get some elevation here now. Seeing our first steps. Andrew's counting them. Lost count already. All right, we're on the other side of the tunnel. Holy! And we got this on the other side.
Check this out.
Of the tunnel.
Take a picture of the stairs.
All right, there's 2 ways to do this. One is easier. One is quicker. We're doing the quicker. Whew. Getting a good calf workout in. How's everybody's calves doing?
The calves are the problem.
What's the problem?
The stairs.
I can see why you would think that. Old pillbox here. Oh, look over here. We got Honolulu. See if we can find a bit better spot for a view of that. The last leg of the hike. Made it to the top, and we got nice scenery. Honolulu. Our hotel's down the beachways there. Got the crater down here where we started the hike. Definitely worth the hike up. All right, headed back down through the bunker here. Stairmaster 3000. That's Andy's new nickname. All right, I think it's gonna be a little easier going down than it was up. Back down to pretty well sea level here now, but it was nice to get up close and personal with Diamond Head. We've been looking at it from the distance the entire trip here, and good to get up top with those beautiful views. The only negative with everything right now is the trip is coming to an end, unfortunately. It went by too quick. There was a few things we wanted to do that we just didn't quite have enough time to do, but hopefully you enjoyed coming along for some of the trip to Oahu. We definitely enjoyed it, and hopefully maybe come back again someday, but that is it. Appreciate you taking a few minutes, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.